Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today, I'm going to be going over an extra wide tape dispenser. Let's say you ask someone, hey, I need a piece of tape. Usually you get a small piece of Scotch tape. This is for like masking tape, duct tape, and packaging or shipping tape. The top right here, this is actually what it tells you. Extra wide multi-rolls tape dispenser. Here on the front, we have the cutting range gains bigger. And it says extra wide blade right there for cutting. So right there you see 3 1-inch tapes. It says on the side of the box, wider blade reduces tape and aligning time with safety blade cover for protecting you from any injuries. So there is a cover for the extra wide blade, and they give you a breakdown on the back: extra wide blade, triplet rollers, and safety blade cover. Triplet rollers, available for 1-inch, 2-inch, and 3-inch wide tapes. And last thing on the side, core 76mm 3-inch. Model number is ET13370. And there's also a QR code that's on the side that you could scan with your device, and it'll tell you how to operate. This tape dispenser is also made by Excel. I did want to note that I did get this from Amazon, and this is the 3-inch model, and the price of this is $35.90. They also have a 1-inch and a 2-inch, and the only difference is that the 1-inch has 1 roller, the 2-inch has 2 rollers, and the 3-inch, guess what? It's got 3 rollers. It says tabletop multi-roll steel desktop tape dispenser, weighted rubber base for stability. So taking a look at the front, it says Excel just for you. Caution, sharp blade, because at the top is the blade right here with the yellow blade guard. The bottom is rubber padding. Here are the 3 rollers. As you can see, they roll freely. Now, these rollers are actually really easy to install on the tape dispenser. You see these rods at the end? Yeah, you just take them and slide them in like this, and then press down, and it snaps right in. There you go. But right here, I got a 2-inch roll of Scotch shipping tape, 2-inch roll of Scotch shipping tape, and I also have 1 free roller for a 1-inch roll of tape. Really cool. So here it is, the Scotch roll of tape on the tape dispenser. I'm going to dispense a piece of tape. See how easy this is? All right. I'm happy that this dispenser actually exists. This was a great find on Amazon. I mean, of course you always have the packaging tape, dispenser gun that like U-Haul and U-Line and all these places have. But I constantly always get those things tangled up with the tape and wind up fixing it. Meanwhile, I'm just like, I could just do it with my 2 hands so much faster. Having this dispenser makes your life so much easier, and you also have room for another 1-inch tape. Definitely can't go wrong there. Definitely love this product. Guys, check it out on Amazon. I think it looks great, and it's going to be very convenient pretty much for all my office needs and shipping needs and taping needs, best of all. But that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll see you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.